Upbeat music plays. The Buy Smart logo appears on the screen. Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we compare products to help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras with a showdown between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Canon EOS R10. Let's see which one comes out on top. First up, let's talk about the price. The Sony ZV-E10 is priced at $799, while the Canon R10 is sitting pretty at $1,099. That's a $300 difference, making the ZV-E10 a more budget-friendly option. Reviewers appreciate that the ZV-E10 offers great value for money with its high-quality features at a lower price, while the R10, though pricier, is praised for its excellent ergonomics and image quality. If you're looking to save cash, the ZV-E10 is the way to go. Now onto image quality. Both cameras sport a 24.2 megapixels APS-C sensor. The ZV-E10 features a high-quality Exmor CMOS sensor and a fast BIONZX processor, which reviewers say provides good image quality and easy-to-edit files. The R10, on the other hand, boasts Canon's DIG-ICX image processor and is noted for its great image quality and compatibility with third-party RF lenses. While both deliver stunning images, the ZV-E10 is favored for its versatility in vlogging and photography. When it comes to video, the ZV-E10 takes the cake with its 4K movie oversampled from 6K, making it a hit among content creators. Reviewers highlight its impressive video capabilities, perfect for vlogging. The R10 also shoots ultra-high-definition videos but lacks the oversampling feature. If you're planning to film your cat's next big adventure, the ZV-E10 is a clear winner in video quality. Let's talk focus. The ZV-E10 comes with a product showcase setting that transitions focus smoothly, making it great for showcasing products. Reviewers love its fast autofocus. On the other hand, the R10 features smart and speedy autofocus with subject detection technology, which is particularly useful for action shots like capturing a hyperactive dog mid-leap. Both cameras excel, but the choice depends on your specific needs. User-friendliness is key. The ZV-E10 makes live streaming easy with just a single USB cable, and reviewers note its lightweight and user-friendly design. The R10 is also praised for its vibrant LED screen and lightweight build, making it easy to carry around. Both cameras cater to tech novices, ensuring a smooth user experience. Finally, let's talk battery life. The ZV-E10 is great for live streaming, but the R10 operates using a Canon LPE17 battery pack, which can be charged while still in the camera. Reviewers mention that the R10's battery life could be better, but its charging convenience is a plus. If you often forget to charge your camera, the R10 might save your bacon. In summary, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is ideal for content creators and live streamers looking for a versatile, budget-friendly camera, while the Canon EOS R10 offers excellent ergonomics and image quality, but at a higher price point. Each has its strengths, so the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. So, there you have it. Which camera would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart comparisons. Don't forget to check the product links in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart.